Okay, hello everyone, this is a Python Beginners series, which I'm going to start. So, first thing you're going to want to do is you want to get your text editor. So what you can do is you can either go to www.python.org/downloads, download Visual Studio, and then you choose, if you're on Windows, you get for Windows, Linux for Linux, and Mac for Mac. And then PyCharm, you'd go to this link. I'll leave all these links in the description for you, but without any further delay, let's get on with it. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a folder on my desktop, and I'm going to call it starters. Okay. Oh, I spelled starters wrong. No, it's alright. Okay. Alright, so the text editor I'm going to use is IDLE. And then you'll get something like this. You're going to do Control New, and then Control S. And then you want to go to desktop and save it to a folder. Doesn't matter which one. And you want to name it something. Let's call it Start. Okay. You want to go into full screen, and from here, so this is where you'll put all your coding and whatnot. So what you could do is, if you want to print something on the screen, you do print. And then for IDL, you can just do Shift F5, and it'll show. Or you can do run module. Hello world. Okay. So now that you've done that, so that's all you have to do to print something on screen. And if you want to input something, you would do input. And then, so yeah. Now, I think we'll just do a basic Python project. So let's make a quiz, why not? So we'll do answer as your variable. Actually, no, we'll set it as, oh my god, we'll set it as play equals input. Would you like to play my quiz? Y/n. Alright, so here, if we run that, it'll say, would you like to play my quiz? Yes or no. And obviously it doesn't matter what we put in now because we don't have anything under that, but if we want to make that a little bit neater, you would do a colon and space. And now it looks a little bit better. Okay. So here you're going to have to use a if statement. So if play, because that's the variable, is equal to no, and colon, then you would print by. And then you could do quit. So let's see if that works. Actually, wait, else print. Okay, let's play. But if we put anything else in, okay, there we go, that works. So I'm just going to make a little space here. Alright, so we'll do question underscore 1 equals input, and let's say who invented the toilet. If question underscore 1 is equal to Thomas Crapper, print correct, else print wrong. Oh, wrong. Okay. And let's give that a try. Oh, I've put an exclamation mark there, that's why. Okay, Shift F5. Yes. Thomas Crapper. And let's see if we put anything else in. Okay, so that works. It's important to rerun your code just to make sure it does work. Otherwise you'll be getting lots of logic or syntax errors later on. So what we can do here is we can do question 1 dot lower, which now means we can use capital. Oh my god, we can use capitals and lowercase. So say for example, Thomas. Oh, I've just spelled it wrong. Oops. No. Okay. Maybe it needs to go there. Crapper. Oh. Okay, we'll get back to that. Ignore what I've just said for now. We'll get back to it. Okay, so what you want to do now is you can just copy and paste this. Control V. Control V. Control V. Okay. What year did World War II start? If we need to change these as well. Question 2. Question 2. Question 3. Question 3. Question 4. Question 4. Okay. Then obviously I have to put in 1939. Let's say who was how many hours in a. You don't have to do the same questions as me. This is just like an example. You can put anything you want in these brackets here. Okay, so then we'd put in, for me it's 60 minutes in an hour, and then else wrong. And who invented? Okay, Final question, let's do... what should we say? What is the capital of Japan? And then we would say Tokyo. And if you want to add more than one option, you could do the or statement and then Tokyo. How many hours in a minute? How many minutes in an hour? That was my bad. Okay, Control S, and let's see if this works. Oh. Oh, that's why it's not working. Oops. Yes, I would. Thomas Crapper. What year did World War II start? 1939. 60. Tokyo. And then we would do not end, quit. Shift F5. Yes. Let's get some wrong. Oh, okay, so we have a bit of a logic error down here. Okay, that's working now. Control S. Okay, so now what we could do is we could add in a score system. So let's just put the score system just here, actually. Okay. Your underscore, actually, I can just put now score equals 0. And then if you wanted to add in the score, you could just do score is equal to score plus 1. Score equals score. And then copy, Control V, Control V. Hang on, correct. Control V. Else score is equal to score. Score is equal to score. And score. Okay, Control S. And then if we want to see our score, what we would do here, we would do print. And now you don't need the quote marks or these ones here. You just need to put in score because that's the variable. And then Shift F5. Yes. And let's say 1939. Okay, so there is an issue. So the score is equal to 0. Hang on a second. Score equals 0. If then score equals score plus 1. Okay, let's just try that real quick. Thomas Crapper. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yes. Thomas. Okay, there we go. I figured it out. So you have to put the score above. So you have to put the score underneath your answer. That's why. Okay, that makes more sense. And Control V. Control V. Let's just quickly get rid of this one. And Control V there. And if we want to make this more clear, we could just do your score is yes. Let's do Thomas Crapper 1939 60 Tokyo. Oh. Let's go see if that works. Hang on. 1939 60. Okay, looks like it needs to be string then. Oh. Print str. Okay. So it's a string, that might be why. Yes. Thomas Crapper 1939 60 and Tokyo. Print type error can only contain a string, not integer to string. Okay. Okay, let's just do this in an easier way. Your score is let's see if that works. Oh no, I'm typing things wrong now. Score Shift F5. Yes. Okay. And let's try this again. Yes. Thomas Crapper and 1939. And just speed up the process to put them in. Okay. So now you have your score system. And if you wanted to make that even better, we could do you of 4. Okay, there we go. So what we could do is we could do yes and Thomas Crapper, 1939, 60, Tokyo. And there you go, you got 4 out of 4. So that is a small simple quiz you can do to try to learn Python. I recommend learning Python for a beginner language because one, it's really easy and it is used in many different fields like uh, like data science, game development, AI, machine learning, and a lot like web development, even a lot of stuff. So what we can do is so that's the first project you can learn to do. You can add in more questions, and you can even do let's see. I don't think there's anything else you can do to it. I mean, there is, but if you want to learn that out in your own time, you can. I will do more lessons on Python if you want. I am also going to be doing a speech recognition tutorial soon for those who are a little more advanced and want to know something more. So you can do that. You can watch that if you want. That'll be out hopefully soon. Sorry I've been a bit quiet this video. I've not been feeling too great. But yeah. So that's how you make a quiz in Python. This is the first lesson. The next lesson we could make let's do rock paper scissors, why not? So for that you would need the random module, which is pre-installed anyway, but it's all good. So I will maybe see you guys later. Have a good day.